So once you know how to change everything to a decimal, the next thing you need to be able to do is to put everything in order. So I put it in a decimal so that I can look at them as like they're the same because at 2/9, 47%, and then a decimal, I don't necessarily know. So I'm going to go first and change my fraction. I like to use Desmos because it puts it in there for me and it does the division. I don't have to think about it. If you don't have Desmos handy, remember it's top divide bottom, and you get the same answer, 0.2. Repeat. So I'm going to write that down. This percentage means I divide by 100. I'm going to go back to my Desmos. I put in the number without the percent sign, and I divide by 100. So that's 0.47. So I'm going to put that under the percentage. This is not a fraction or a percent, so I can just leave it. I don't have to convert it. So here's my numbers. I'm looking for the small one first. If I'm not sure, I'm going to stack them. A 4 is bigger than a 0, but a -4 is small because that's like you owe me money. So since these are 0 and this is negative, remember, if my 0 is here, the -4 is farther away. So this is my smallest number. I can cross it out. And then I have either a 2 or a 4 because the zeros are in front. So this is my next smallest number. This is my biggest number. But if you remember, answers are not given in decimals, they're given with the original number, which is why I made this chart. So it's -4.2 is my first one. The second one is the fraction, okay? I used this decimal, but it's the fraction. And then 47%. So this is my answer. Got it? Here's some vocabulary that's going to help. Ascending means it goes up. Descending goes down. And I know you've heard these before. This is least to greatest, which is small to big. And this is greatest to least, which is big to small. Just in case you didn't remember. Ascending up, descending down. Okay? And we also change when we're using greater than, less than, or equal to. So I have I have a percent I need to change. So I'm going to go to my calculator and say 290 divided by 100. And that gives me 2.9. So I go back and put that under, and I have 37.2. I'm pretty sure 37 is bigger, and it is. Remember, a mixed number means the 0 is not there, the 3 goes there, but I still need to divide my fraction, and I get 0.2, right? So it's 3.2. I'm going to take my 37 and divide by 100, and that gives me 0.37. So do you want $3 or do you want 37 cents? I want $3. Remember, 2 points is the bigger, little pointy goes to the small. 2 is bigger, 1 is smaller. So that's why we change the decimals so we can compare things.